Thanks for tuning in. Today, I want to make both the cover page and the intro page for my Christmas mini album. This is not a journaling every day or a daily December album. I'm not documenting every single day of December, but we do have some special things happening this month. Usually, I just create 12 by 12 pages of our Christmas celebrations, but this year feels different for many reasons. I want to document this Christmas season differently, so I'm creating a dedicated 6 by 8 mini album. I got the idea from MayMay Made It to create a 6 by 8 album with just the page protectors and no binder. I want to start with the intro page. I typed up my journaling here and I'm going to add just a few embellishments. This simple banner piece and the heart over the top. I think these are from a Simple Stories collection. The heart has that paperclip notch built into the die cut. I'm also going to add this library card at the bottom. I don't know what collection this came from. All of my Christmas ephemera is out of the packages. I just mix and match and pull what I need for each page. I'm hoping to dig deeper into my stash for this album. I think this will be a good opportunity to use up some of the older supplies. To the library card, I want to add this doily. I think this might have come from Michael's, maybe. I have a little stack of these in white, green, and red, and I do plan to add these as a repeating element to more of the pages in the album. I want to make a little cluster in the corner, so I'm stacking the doily on top of the card. And I'm trying to be careful here as some of the journaling is private and I don't want to share all of it publicly. So bear with me for just a moment. I will trim the sticky note down a bit so that I can show how this cluster turns out. To the cluster, I'm adding that chipboard piece that came from Echo Park's Have a Holly Jolly Christmas collection. It says, Have yourself a merry little Christmas, let your heart be light. And then I have that skinny chipboard Christmas tree piece that I will also add to this cluster to add in some green. I'm going to go glue these down off camera and find some finishing touches to add. And I'm also going to add 2024 and red and green stickers to the banner at the top. And I will show how this page turns out in just a bit. Here's my finished intro page. I have no idea why I had 2025 on my brain for the date. I'm really not trying to rush into the new year. I will fix that date to 2024. And I had some space up at the top, so I added in a green doily and I just trimmed the top of it to go off the page. I added some gold doodlebug hearts and some pink fresh clear drops in emerald as finishing touches. And you can see that gold ink pad on my desk. I did ink the edges around this page, and I will be doing that in the album with the gold metallic ink. And now I want to focus on the cover page. I cut this vellum sheet with the gold stars down to 6 by 8, and I'm going to add this to the page protector to make a shaker pocket. I have the fuse tool, so I'll be able to close the pocket once I get all of the shaker elements in there. I don't do this very often, but I wanted to have it handy so that I can seal up the pocket before I get glitter and fake snow all over my desk. In a moment, I'll grab a few things that I've been collecting for the shaker pocket. I don't have any scrapbook stores near me, and I haven't needed to order anything lately, so I ended up shopping locally. And I was pleasantly surprised to find some things at both the Dollar Tree and Michael's. The ornament fillers came from the Dollar Tree. I really liked the chunky glitter inside these packages. And I found these wreath polymer clay slices and these crafty glitter packs at Michael's. I'm going to open all of the packages and get things situated. I'm going with the green wreaths, the peppermint candies from the Createology pack, the iridescent glitter from the ornament filler, and then red glitter from the other ornament filler pack. The first thing I'm adding to the pocket is faux snow. Even though we don't get snow here, this stuff looks fun and festive, and I think it will look good in the pocket. I also picked up this package at the Dollar Tree. To the faux snow, I'm going to add some red hexagon shaped chunky glitter and some iridescent glitter from those Dollar Tree packs. To that, I will add some of the peppermint candies and then some of the wreath filler, which brings in some green. And that's all I want to add inside. Everything will fall to the bottom of the pocket when it's on the shelf, but every time we pick up the album and look at it, the shaker elements inside the pocket will move around, and that's what I wanted. It's the first interactive element of the book. I've had the Fuse tool for years. If you're not familiar with it, I bought it back when I was doing a Project Life album. The tool heats up and you're able to run it along the edge of the page protector to seal it closed. Back in the day, I did like to make custom pockets in any size that I wanted. I don't do Project Life anymore, but I still like to make custom pockets sometimes. And it's also nice to be able to seal shaker pockets like this. Now I'm adding the letters to the cover. While there is adhesive on these stickers, I'm going to add just a bit of wet glue myself because I don't want these letters coming off. This is the cover of my album, so it might get beat up over time. I'm repeating the process with the green letters and the red letters. And after the letters dry, I will seal up the page protector to keep all of the shaker elements inside. If you missed the first video where I explained more about this album and what my plan is, I'll link it here if you'd like to watch it.